Hello, welcome back to Blender Switch LiveEnoding. In this episode, I want to show you how you can create this type of 3D typography. The secret is actually with the curl noise. So you probably have seen the pattern before. So curl noise, and the one I'll be using is actually this Higgsas Node Group. One of the node can do the job for us. You can buy this for €9, but I'm gonna show you in a bit. So basically, the way I do it, let's say you have a box and you want to have that kind of curl noise happening. So all you need to do is to append from the Higgsas nodes. So I already have it here. So if you purchase the node groups, you got hundreds of, actually not hundreds, but quite a bunch of noise. Um, there's this 2D curl noise, so it's not 3D, it's 2D, but you can kind of use it in interesting way. So this is actually what I did. So curl noise. So as you can see, if you are using the curl noise, it's gonna use the points inside the mesh, and we can iterate the number of points. We can increase or decrease the spacing of the noise. So we can actually, let's say we subdivide the mesh multiple times. You can see it's kind of using the points of the cube and turning it into this kind of curl noise. But there is actually another thing. Let's save this very quickly. Curl. I'll be using a pen, and there's a, I believe it's called voxel. Okay, voxel remeshing. So a pen, voxel. So let's take a look with the voxel remesh. We can't really see it, but it's actually doing a remeshing for us. If we are using Suzanne monkey head, okay. It's kind of doing the Lego type of remeshing. So this will introduce a lot of dots, right? And then we can use this with the curl noise, and hopefully it's gonna, create more of the points for us. So that's actually what I did. But for the typography, let's see, let's reduce this. Yeah, you could actually just use like mesh to volume to mesh. It's kind of actually distribute points inside volume. This will also give you similar effects. You just need a bunch of points inside 3D objects, so you get that kind of curly result. With the typography text, we just need a string to curve to fill hole, actually fill curve. So we can type in like hello. Increase the size. Distribute points on face. And there you go. That's the curl happening. You can play around with the size of the text. In this case, 10 is pretty good. So play around with the iterations and the step, scale of the noise, scale of the curl noise. You can see, okay. If you want the text to be 3D, you know, extrude, mesh. Okay, that's a lot better, right? It looks 3D, even though it's like a 2D curl mesh. And at this point, just plug in this guy over here, radius 0.01, and we are done. So sometimes the node group, I mean, you don't need to start from scratch. Someone already made it for you. So there you go, that's the scary looking curve to mesh. It's very wired. Yeah, I thought that's kind of neat. So it's really simple. Curly hair, curly 3D text. So yeah, you probably need to buy the geometry nodes from here, but because the inside is pretty complicated. There you go. You want to do this? You can try. Go inside. Yeah, inside is still kind of complicated. So if you just get the node group, simplify the whole process. Oh, interesting. I cannot go up. Anyhow, so that's the whole process. Curly looking 3D. It's funny too. Oh, because I'm using the Blender 4.0 alpha. Okay, there you go. Oh, if we offset it, we can actually animate the curl. That's kind of neat as well. Iterations 10. If it's less, we get different look. Oh, increase the step and you get something that's a little bit more abstract. It's almost like tentacles. And this one, okay, distribute points on faces. You can control distribution of face or voxel remesh. Yeah, it's gonna give different look. Oh, okay. This is better. We don't need voxel remesh actually. Yeah. Normalize the step. Yeah, basically just playing around. And you can of course make every single threads as a different color. Let's do the usual thing. Set material. Go into shader editor. Material. Oh, okay. Principle. It's very different in Blender 4.0. Okay. Object info. Color, hue, saturation value. Random goes into the hue. This goes there. This goes there. EV or cycles. Okay. Where's the random color? Where's random color? Select the object, go back to geometry nodes, realize instances. Oh, each strands need to have different colors. So random per island is, yeah, that should work. Color RAM. Okay, that will do the job, I guess. Curl nose. I think could be better with if the curl have some kind of directions to it. It's not just random. So maybe keep that in mind. Go back to geometry nodes. Maybe less is more. Anyhow, that's pretty much the whole process. Hopefully you find it useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.